Good morning, class 3. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Anisha Zeni and I will be teaching you computer science. So let's start with our first chapter, that is Introduction to Computers. As you all know, computer is a machine which works with the help of electricity. It helps us in many things like listening music, learning, studying, doing painting, drawing, or even playing games. So today in today's topic I will be explaining you the 3 stages on which your whole computer really works. That stages is called your IPO cycle. Now what is the full form of IPO cycle, children? Input, process, output. Now for explaining input, process, output, let me give you an example. What happens, children? You're the user. You are the user. The person who is using the computer is the user. Whenever you give some instruction to your computer, what happens? It is called your input. And when the CPU, the processing is done with the help of your CPU is called your processing. And the final result, which is seen on your computer monitor screen, is called your output. Let me give you an example. Suppose your clothes get dirty. What will you do? You will give your clothes to your mother. Your mother will pick up the dirty clothes and put it in the washing machine. What she is doing? She is giving the input. Okay? And she then puts some detergent powder, some water inside it, and then she starts on the washing machine. Now what does the washing machine is doing? She is processing. She is washing the clothes. Okay? And the result is the neat and tidy clothes are your result. The final output are the neat and tidy clothes. Okay? So what happens? Input is given by putting the dirty clothes. Process is done by washing the clothes, and the clean, neat clothes is your final output. Let me give you another example also, children. Suppose you want to drink a orange juice. What you will first do? You will peel off the orange. You will put the orange in the juicer grinder. You have done what? You have given the input. Okay. Now you switch on the machine. What happens? The juice comes out in a glass. What it is in the glass is the final result, the final output. Okay. In the same manner, your computer works. Whenever you are giving an instruction to your computer, with the help of the input, the process is done with the processing devices and the output is come as the final result on your monitor screen. Okay? Now, let me explain you some of the input devices. See, children, keyboard and mouse is called your input devices. Why are they called input devices? Because with the help of keyboard, you give instructions. With the help of mouse also, you give instructions to the computer, because computer works on your instructions and command. It cannot work by its own. Okay? Then suppose you want to open a Microsoft page. Okay? Microsoft Word page. What you will do? You will type from your keyboard Microsoft Word. Then only your computer screen will show the window of Microsoft Word. In the same manner, you want to play some game or you want to draw something, you will give the instruction with the keyboard, that is Microsoft Paint. Then only your Paint window will open in front of you, right? Now, second comes your process. What is your processing devices? CPU is your processing device. You all have your brain, right? We all have our brain. What does our brain help? Our brain help us to solve our queries, our problems, to learn everything, to understand mathematical operations. In the same manner, computer brain is its CPU. CPU is also called what? Brain of the computer. All the operations, all the calculations are done in the brain of the computer, that is inside the CPU. And now comes your output devices. Monitor and printer are your output devices. What happens, children? Whenever you have given instruction with the keyboard, processing is done with the CPU and the final result which is in front of you comes on your monitor screen. The screen of the computer is called your monitor screen. Okay, and next is your printer. What does a printer does? It converts the soft copy into the hard copy. What is your soft copy? The things which you have typed in your computer, which is inside your software, is your soft copy. Okay, and when you give the command with the help of a keyboard for command to print, then what happens? The printer takes out the page with all the written facts you required from your computer. So printer does what? It shows you the result, the final output. What does monitor do? It also shows you the final result or the final output. See children, let me give you one more example. Suppose you have done the calculation 5. 5 is your what? Input. Okay. 5 plus 2. This is your input. You have given this input in your calculator. Okay. Now your calculator is doing the processing, and what is the final result? Is the 7. Okay. This is your output. Okay. 7 is what? Your output. This thing is done in the calculator or by your own. This is the input. 5 plus 2. Calculation is done in the calculator, and the output, the final result is 7. I hope you all understand what I am trying to explain you, that your computer works in 3 stages, that is input, process and output. Okay. You all require to understand small things at your home, like sharpening a pencil. The sharpening a pencil process also includes your IPO cycle also. Washing your clothes, playing games, using your computer. In small things you can understand the IPO cycle. Okay, I hope you all are safe at home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.